let's go bowling. With more than 100 million players worldwide, bowling is one of the most popular sports on the planet. Just roll a ball down a lane and knock over some pins. Easy, right? But the story of bowling is anything but a straight roll down center lane. In the 1930s, Sir Flinders Petrie found some curious objects in an Egyptian child's grave. Those objects appeared to be related to bowling and were dated to 3200 BCE. However, William Pelle from Germany argued that bowling began in his country around 300 CE. In 1366, people in England were not allowed to bowl. That's because King Edward III wanted his soldiers to focus on their training. A few centuries later, people from the Netherlands, Germany, and England brought bowling to the New World, and it became more and more popular. In 1895, the American Bowling Congress was formed. Standard rules were made, and scoring, along with strikes and spares, was established. The number of frames, 10, was also put in place. National bowling events began, and in the 20th century, bowling went from a hobby to a professional sport.